a light that never fades or dies. You hold my heart, you keep it safe. In your arms I find my place. Through every storm, through darkest nights, you whisper words that feel so right. No fear, no doubt, just you and me. A love that lasts eternally. Your promise shines like stars above. A vow of faith, a bond of love. No matter where the road may lead, you'll always be right here with me. We've walked through fire, faced the rain, but through it all our love remains. The echoes of your voice so true remind me I belong to you. Through every storm, through darkest nights, you whisper words that feel so right. No fear, no doubt, just you and me. A love that lasts eternally. Your promise shines like stars above. A vow of faith, a bond of love. No matter where the road may lead, you'll always be right here with me. We've walked through fire, faced the rain, but through it all our love remains. The echoes of your voice so true remind me I belong to you. Through every storm, through darkest nights, you whisper words that feel so right. No fear, no doubt, just you and me.